Hello friends, today I am going to make flaxseed laddus. So let's start. Ingredients for the dish are as follows. Add flax seeds. Roast the flax seeds. While roasting, stir continuously. Flax seeds are loaded with nutrients. Now the flax seeds are roasted. Grind it. Now the flaxseed powder is ready. Add ghee in a pan. Now add the flaxseed powder. Mix well. Add jaggery powder. Mix well. Now add condensed milk. Mix well. Add the condensed milk as needed. Now the mixture is ready. Make the laddus as shown. Wow! These laddus look tasty. Eat and enjoy! Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Salad and food. Thank you.